We're on the final stretch now, so this is the part 3. So if you've completed parts 1 and 2 properly, these grey bars here would all be orange. And we can see that part 3 is multiple choice questions. We've got 8 questions, suggested time 20 minutes. And these are the questions here. Number 9 is, we'll talk about that later, but that's the observation report, what your tutor fills in. So let's just have a look at these then. So it says this page requires scrolling, so make sure we have a look there. There's nothing on there. Click next. And then we've got some questions. Windows, iOS, and Linux are examples of, and then we get 3 choices. Computer applications or operating systems. Well, Windows is an operating system, iOS is an operating system. And when we click that, and we need to make sure we click it because you'd be surprised that people don't, the answer then goes in green. Then we'd move to the next question, and I'm not going to answer all of these, I'm just going to go through them now. This is an example of the next question. Question 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the end of the multiple choice questions. And then what happens is it asks you to upload it says an observation record. So your tutor will have done an observation with you within the class, which asks you to do certain things, such as get your tutor's mobile number, put that into your contacts, save an email address, and then also undertake a video call with them, and that's worth 8 marks. And your tutor, once your test is finished, will upload the file in there. As you're going along the exam, it will tell you up here the percentage that's completed. If you've completed everything, so all this is in orange, all this is in orange, and partly most of that is in orange, it will say 82%. Then when you've done that, once you're happy, you can click next, and then you can click this is the end of the assessment, press the finish button. We click finish. You've not attempted all the questions. Are you sure you want to finish? Well, we've attempted them, so we're happy. We click finish. If you select finish, your answers will have been submitted and you will not be able to return to the test. So you need to be really mindful of this, because if you've got enough time, maybe you want to make sure that you have answered all the questions. So you can easily go back to a section by clicking on the section there, checking on the answers, making sure that the file name here is proper, so you can go backwards and forwards as you want. So if you do get time, don't think you've got to get out straight away. Make sure that you've done it properly. Okay, I hope that was useful for you.